In this video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful Twitter feeds like this on your WordPress website using the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. After purchasing the plugin from smashballoon.com, you can find your download link and license key inside your Smashballoon account. Download Twitter Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Next, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click Add New. Then click Upload Plugin at the top, upload the zip file for Twitter Feed Pro and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate Plugin. Now Twitter Feed Pro is installed and activated. Just add your license key and click Add New to get started. Next, you can select from one of these 3 different feed types. You can create a feed of tweets from any user timeline, a feed of tweets containing specific hashtags, or even a feed of tweets matching a specific search term. You can go ahead and select the feed type you want, or even combine multiple feed types into one single feed. Once you've selected the feed type you want, go ahead and click Next. Now you can enter the details for your Twitter feed. For the user timeline feed, you can add 1 or more Twitter handles here to display on your feed and then click Next to proceed. Here, you'll have options to choose from 7 unique Twitter feed templates. These templates allow you to create beautiful looking Twitter feeds without needing any design skills. You have options like masonry cards, simple carousel, simple cards, and more. You can select the template you like the most and click Next. And in just a few clicks, you'll have an amazing preview of your new Twitter feed. Now you can easily go and embed this onto any page on your WordPress website. Simply click on Embed on the top right corner, copy the shortcode here, and head over to the page you want to add your feed to. And on your web page, you have 2 methods you can use to embed your new Twitter feed. You can either paste the shortcode you copied like this, or if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Twitter feed block. And now, if we check out the front end of our web page, you can see that we have our brand new, beautiful, and responsive Twitter feed all good to go. On your new Twitter feed, you can directly like, comment, and retweet without leaving your website. And with their infinite scroll feature, when someone scrolls down your Twitter feed, it will automatically trigger additional tweets to load as they scroll down. After creating your Twitter feed, our plugin gives you many different options to customize it. Inside the Customize tab, if you go into Layout, you can choose from different layout options such as the list, masonry, or carousel. And you can even specify the number of tweets to display, number of columns on the feed, and a whole lot more. And if you want control over the tweets you display on your feed, under the Settings tab, click on Filters. Inside this menu, at the top, you can choose to include replies and retweets on your Twitter feed. Below that, you can also add words as filters, so that your feed hides or displays tweets containing those words or hashtags. These options allow you to have complete control over the tweets you display inside your Twitter feed. We also wanted to make sure your feed is responsive across all devices. When previewing your Twitter feed, you can click on these buttons here to check how your feed will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile. This way, you know exactly how your feed will look no matter what device it's being viewed on. Now you've seen some of the awesome features of our Twitter Feed Pro plugin. And if you're still wondering why you should choose Smashballoon, let me show you. As you saw from this video, our Twitter Feeds plugin is easy to set up and incredibly customizable. While alternative plugins might slow down your website, ours is page speed optimized, so you won't have to worry about your website's performance. It's also built with reliability in mind, and we've integrated many features to ensure you never have to worry about your feed going down. Our Twitter Feed plugin is also GDPR compliant and automatically integrates with popular GDPR and cookie consent plugins in a single click. And if you're using any other social media channels like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, you should definitely check out our other plugins dedicated for these platforms. We also have our amazing Social Wall plugin that lets you create this gorgeous collage featuring combined feeds from any of our other products. Our Twitter Feed plugin is the easiest, fastest, most reliable, and most customizable way to add a Twitter feed onto your WordPress website. You can try risk-free today with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Make sure to visit smashballoon.com and get started today.